Sam, I've been learning for 3 weeks now. HTML, Python, SEO, blockchain, Flutter. Still, I feel like I know nothing. What's happening?
That is called tech burnout. That's the side effect of you trying to swallow the internet all at once.
Are you for real? But I just want to be great fast, fast.
Then you need to slow down. Here is the anti-burnout starter space. You need to first of all learn a skill one at a time. Then you need to take like 30 minutes break per day and organize your notes. Then track your progress every week. That's something that will be very, very much helpful for you.
But what if I forget everything that I've been learning?
Of course you will. That is why we take notes and then build mini projects. It's not just binge tutorials like Netflix.
Okay. Breathe, learn, build, got it.
Exactly. It's not a sprint. It's a tech marathon. This is why you need to locate a tech skill that will fit you by the name, guide you in learning a skill one step at a time. Right, right?
Got it.
That's it, girl.